Hey, everyone. So, I just had to hop on here and share something with you all. I'm Ruth, a proud mom of two, and I'm juggling this recording while my kiddos are in the other room. Bear with me, Yaukno. I hail from the Midwest, where we've got two seasons, construction and winter. But let me tell you about this book, The Self-Sufficient Backyard. It's been a game changer for me, and I couldn't wait to spill the beans. I've been on a mission to figure out how to grow my own goodies right in my backyard. And let me tell you, this book has blown my mind in just a few days. I thought I knew a bit about growing veggies, but oh boy was I wrong. I've taken a few courses, but this book, it's the whole package. Everything you need to know about cultivating your own food in your own little piece of green heaven. Now, I'm not exactly a homesteader, suburbs and all that, but that's not stopping me from creating my own raised beds and little oasis of vegetation. I'm already halfway through, and let me tell you, I am genuinely enlightened and excited to embark on this journey. I'm ready to turn my thumb a vibrant shade of green, and I owe it all to Ron and Joanna for putting together this gem of a book. So, thank you. I'm slapping a solid 5 stars on this one. If you're even remotely thinking about getting this book, just go for it. Don't second guess yourself. It's absolutely worth it. Alright, that's it from me. Bye for now.